The CARICOM Prime Ministerial Subcommittee on Cricket is sounding the alarm on the state of West Indies cricket and is calling for bold strategic reforms to rescue and revitalize the game across the region. Noting that the current state of cricket in the Caribbean, particularly Test cricket, demands urgent attention, Guyanese Dr. Mohamed Irfan Ali, who chairs the Subcommittee on Cricket, has urged Cricket West Indies to undertake a thorough and transparent review of its governance, leadership, management, economic models and development frameworks underpinning the sport. In a statement Thursday night, the Subcommittee on Cricket pointed to the widespread concerns expressed across the Caribbean community regarding the performance, governance and future of West Indies cricket. Pointing to the concerns over youth development, talent retention, governance arrangements and long-term strategy, the body noted that it is deeply concerned about all aspects of the current state of the game in the region, particularly in the longest format. The Subcommittee on Cricket said it is establishing a special committee of diverse stakeholders, including cricket legends, the private sector and academia. It added, "We will, with this committee, review the multiple high-level reports on West Indies cricket, synthesize the various recommendations that they contain and propose an action plan." It said the CWI and the National Cricket Associations will be invited to be a part of the consultation and review process. The Subcommittee on Cricket said it will do everything in its power to support the rebuilding of West Indies cricket and restore it to the heights of global excellence in all formats of the game. The other members of the subcommittee are Jamaica's Prime Minister Andrew Holness, Barbados Prime Minister Mia Mottley, and St. Kitts and Nevis Prime Minister Dr. Terence Drew. 4 Jamaicans, including Captain